What is up, everyone? It's FNAF Gamer 475 here today, and today I was gonna do a little try to laugh challenge with you guys. If you guys laugh at this challenge, this is about cats. Look at that little cat. Oh, it's cute. I think he's gonna try to blow out this candle. So, let us get started with this, shall we? I don't have an iPhone or nothing. I'm using this on my. Is this like his birthday or something? Oh. She's scared. I think this is like the cutest cat in the video. You guys say in the comments. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, did I just laugh? Oops. I seen the. Oh, it's a kitten. It said cats, not kittens. Well, I guess it's the same thing. My arms are getting tired. I'm tired of holding this phone. It's the one I always have to comment on. Ah! This is the phone I always have to comment on. Oh, this book. Ouch. Bite your lip. Careful not to bite the hand that feeds you. Alright, I didn't laugh that time. I was just tapping the table because I was about to laugh. Oh. It was just her laughing. That was just the only part that was funny. Oh, sorry, my finger's in the way. Ow, that was a sidekick. Good thing cats have good sight. They can actually, land the ground. That's actually the best. Oh, they're about to get at it. You know, tails wagging. Ah, I knew it. If you guys know they're about to get at it, because their tails are wapping. You're never gonna get out there, because it's too high up. How's this even funny? I don't get the point. Ah, Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. I knew it. Okay, cat's scared to death. Isn't another cat stuck in a cup again? Yeah, it is. Can't see where he's going in that cup. I'd help him. I would help get that cup out. Nothing in that bag. Oh, Grasser laughed. Alright, I lost. Okay, I can laugh anytime I want now. I don't know what that was. Oh, okay. Okay. You guys want to see my face? I can't see. You guys can't see. Anyway, guys, that is a short video, the Try Not to Laugh challenge. Please like, subscribe to our channels. I'll put all the people that supported me in this video. Make sure that you comment to this video how well you did in this Try Not to Laugh challenge. And as always, guys, my name is FNAF Gamer, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.